Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So in today's video we have this question where we are given three equations. We are given that a plus b is equal to 8 and b plus c is equal to 13 and c plus a is equal to 11. And now look at it. We do not need to find a, b and c separately. We just need to find the value of what? A plus b plus c, right? Okay. So how do we proceed? Whenever you get this type of question, now, and you don't need to find a, b, c, then what do? You just add all these equation. Add equation number 1, 2 and 3, right? Why am I adding that? So if you add them, you can notice the pattern here. Observe it, that if you add them, it will become a plus a, 2a, right? So I add them. I add left hand side, right? And then I add right hand side. Okay. So this will become a plus a is what? 2a. B plus b is 2b. C plus c is 2c, right? This is our left hand side. And right hand side is what? If you add them, 13 plus 11 is what? 21. 21 plus 11 is what? 32, right? And I can take 2 common from left hand side. If I take 2 common, I have a plus b plus c is equal to 32. Since I want to find out the value of a plus b plus c, what will I do? I will divide by 2 on both sides. I will get a plus b plus c is equal to 16 and we are done, right? So this was a very easy question. Sometimes you get double variables here like ab plus bc like that. Then as well you just need to add all the left hand side and then you get to the conclusion. Okay, I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel. And if you like to watch riddles, if you like to solve them, then you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.